I am working from home today. It's Thursday and I just woke up. It's like 7:30, 8 o'clock, and I am really tired because I don't know, just really tired, guys. It's tough, just working all the time and gym and everything, but I'm just gonna hang the clothes up to dry because when I work from home, what I do is I set the washer so it's done like at 7 o'clock in the morning, so I can just wake up and hang the clothes up to dry. That way I don't have to wait, and you know what I mean. Anyway, so it's just being organised. And then I'm going to go to the gym in a second. So if I can go to the gym at 7:45, get home for 8:45, and then I can start work at 9 on the dot. I've got some new protein shake flavours actually, guys. I always have the PhD Diet Whey salted caramel. That is my go-to for everyday breakfast. However, I have got the Belgian chocolate, and Ash got tiramisu because he loves like coffee flavour. I don't love coffee flavour, but I'm up for trying it for sure. So yes, we've got them, which I'm really excited to try out this morning. So guys, I want to tell you, I got contacted by Zaful. Have you guys heard of Zaful? Have you guys heard of Zaful? It is a clothing website, kind of like one of those China type websites, and they contacted me to ask me if I would like some clothes and to feature them in a video. I'm reluctant. I'm really reluctant because I've never shopped at Zaful. I don't know if I'll like their quality, and you know me, guys, I shop at like Zara, Mango, Topshop, the odd designer thing. It's not that, you know, it's not that I would never shop there. I mean, if there was something I liked, I would of course get it, but I don't want to like just get things for the sake of getting them. So I'm going to look through the site anyway, and see if there's anything I can find. I've had a quick look and there are a couple of things I like, but you know, it's just about quality for me. I would prefer like spending more on one piece and getting quality item rather than just buying like loads of cheaper clothing, disposable clothing, which I used to do that when I didn't have as much money. But I don't know, you know, at the odd time I will shop at Primark, but mainly more for accessories rather than clothes. I don't know, I guess you change as you get older, and you know, things that you like and don't like, and you put more priority on certain things over others. And you know, and I do like to shop, as you guys know, but I don't mind spending a bit more per item. Like, you know, I shop at normal shops like wherever you guys do as well, like H&M and all those usual ones, but you know, I don't know, I'm just really tired. I'm talking in circles. But anyway, Zaful did contact me, so let's see. I'll have a look on the look at their website, and see if there's anything I like, and I'll make an order, and show you guys what I got if you know, if it's nice and I like it. So yeah, just some real talk for you guys, because when you are a YouTuber, you do get contacted. I mean, I don't get contacted very often, but the odd time that I do, you know, it's something I really want to talk to you guys about. Actually, it's been on my mind for ages. Do you guys feel that when you're watching YouTube videos right now, you're just watching ads, but just very creative, cool, smart ads? Because that's how I feel. You don't really know. I mean, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, when back in the day of YouTube, you'd watch it, and if someone said they liked a product, you felt it was like legit, like they liked it. Now if someone says they like a product, okay, most people say, I'm not getting paid to say this, blah blah blah, I get it, but ultimately, I don't know, is YouTube lost its integrity of what's real and what's not? I'm not sure. Sometimes it's hard to tell if someone's genuinely loves an item, or are they just being, you know, paid or incentivized to say it. And I find that quite difficult. So, you know, that's where, following on from me talking about Zaful, I want to keep it real. Like, I don't want to say I like something if I don't like it. And I don't want someone to, I don't want words to be put into my mouth. There's things I like, and I'll tell you I like them, and if I tell you I like something, I legit like it. Like, no one's paid me to say it. I'm telling you because I want to share, you know, share my loves, like things I'm loving with you guys. So, because, you know, a lot of you that watch me might have some skin color, tone, texture, hair, body shape, I don't know, to me. So it could be like, you know, those things could be relevant to you as well. So anyway, I don't know. Comment below, guys. What do you think? Do you feel like you're just watching ads now when you're watching YouTube? Like when you watch even some of your favorite YouTubers, like do you feel like it's just an ad, or do you feel like, you know, that they are legit and they're actually genuine? Because it's hard, isn't it? There's a real grey line between that of what's real and what's not. I don't know. It's a hard one. In my mind, I'm just like, I'm not sure how I sit with where I sit with that. So anyway, I don't know why I'm talking about this, because I really need to get my butt down to the gym, and I've got like 5 minutes to hang all the clothes up, change into my gym kit and get down there. So I'm gonna crack on.